What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and I'm out here with the original Babyhawk, and I have these Babyhawk props on it. These are the Avan 2.3 Babyhawk props, and so I never got a chance to check it out because both of my Babyhawks were down, but now this one is the product of both of my Babyhawks, and it does have these 7500 kV motors on it. And so different motors from the original Babyhawk, I know, but nevertheless we about to test this thing out with a 2S. Got one of these graphene from Infinity, 400 milliamp hours, and this thing has been still performing quite nicely. So awesome batteries. I'll have links in the description for you guys to check out these batteries still if they have any more. Crazy Pony Power was the seller on Amazon to get 2 of these for a really nice price. And so enough talking, let's try to get this thing up in the air before we lose all the light. I did add a buzzer on this one, so this Babyhawk has a buzzer on it. Chop shop this little guy. And so something's touching. Let me see, I got one of my receiver antennas touching. Let's go. So let's do a quick punch out. So really nice punch out with it. Let's do it again. This is 2S, guys. A little hard to see it. And we got the buzzer making noise on me. Bring this little guy down. Have a look at it. And this battery might not have been charged fully. Yeah, it's crying on me. That's it. A quick little demo flight of the original Babyhawk with these 7500 kV e-sheen motors on it, and I have these new Avan 2.3 props on it. Pretty nice flyer, pretty awesome props. Finally got to test it on a Babyhawk. Not really a stock Babyhawk, but hey, thanks for watching.